So I'm Babur, like I said before. The reason I guess I came to this conference was, I have some business background, but it's an entrepreneurship background, but it's mostly in biotech. I was an engineer in undergrad. I worked for a biotech startup firm for a while. So never really been exposed to this side of the business world in that sense. And so I thought this was a kind of good opportunity to do that and note some of the differences that go on in this side, and maybe some of the things that you can take from an engineering or biotech perspective and use in more of a social entrepreneurship or social enterprise community to maybe make some improvements on the business models. So that's why I came here, and I went to a lot of the same panels so I won't talk about most of those. The keynote speaker in the morning, Jan England, I thought was phenomenal. It was inspiring, but it was also very, very practical and very kind of detailed, but still kind of kept the big picture in mind. And so it taught me a lot, which is really what I'm after in a talk like that. Being inspired is great, that's fine, but I really want to learn something, because there are tons of things that inspire me all the time, but if I'm not getting resources to help accomplish something, then it's not really that worthwhile for me. And so I learned a lot from that talk. So I thought that was great. Panels. I went to the education panel. Kind of had some of the same opinions as Aya. It was a little disappointing. I don't know. It seemed a little biased. I don't know if this is a Harvard Business School bias, but everyone seems to love privatizing education around here, which I'm somewhat skeptical of. Maybe I'm an old timer. I don't know. Then I went to same talk as everyone else, so I'll skip that. Nicholas Negroponte's talk was good. It was better than I thought it would be. Still not really a fan of one laptop per child.
If you didn't hear that, Sebastian just said he wants a laptop. And I think that he should donate $177 and get one. I wonder if they have VPN for that at BU.
I'm sure you can get on VPN.
Those antennas are really cool.
Years. So that's fine. Went to a talk on homelessness kind of in the afternoon, and the title of the talk was Innovative Solutions, or something to the effect of Innovative Solutions for Homelessness. That wasn't what the talk was about at all. I found almost nothing innovative in anything anyone was saying. And I guess that's something that I've noticed you get in the business world, is you get lots of verbiage a lot that doesn't necessarily correlate with reality. That's just the way business is sometimes.
Innovation does seem to be tossed around as kind of a general. Yeah. Everyone says this is innovative.
This is innovative
to kind of give it the spark. But I do agree that a lot of what I heard today was exciting.
Some of it was great. But it wasn't innovative. And I was really looking for new models of trying to help the homeless in some way. But it was community organizations. We should go to the churches. Well, we've been doing this for a long time. I'm pretty sure we've been doing this since like 1805. But anyway, my kind of general experience has been good though. I met a lot of people who are kind of working practically in this field, and got some ideas on how to proceed with projects in a sense, which is kind of where my disconnect is in terms of this whole social enterprise process. Is I kind of know how to go start from finish if I have an idea for a medical device. I know how to go start from finish from getting the intellectual property and going back to a business model on that. But I have kind of a disconnect if I have an idea for a way to a new idea for a new kind of homeless shelter or something. I had kind of a disconnect in how to go from start to finish on that, and just not necessarily in any of the talks, but just talking to people in general and getting kind of the feel for how things work. On this side of the park, I think it's taught me a little on how to go about doing that. So that was kind of the main benefit I got from this.